Installing rough marble beside the pool. Full step-by-step guide. Installing rough marble around a swimming pool requires skill, precision, and an understanding of both aesthetics and safety. In this video, we take you step by step through the professional process of installing textured marble tiles alongside a pool, showcasing the best practices used to ensure durability and beauty, from preparing the base layer with the right mixture of mortar and leveling techniques, to carefully placing each slab of rough marble to guarantee proper water drainage and slip resistance. This tutorial covers it all. You'll see how to align the pieces correctly, handle corner cuts, and apply finishing touches that give the entire pool area a high-end look. Rough marble is not only stylish and luxurious, but also offers essential grip for wet areas, making it ideal for pool surroundings. Throughout the video, we demonstrate practical tips to avoid common mistakes and ensure that the marble adheres properly to the surface, even under outdoor conditions like heat and humidity. Whether you're a professional mason or a homeowner interested in learning about the craft, this in-depth guide provides insight that goes beyond basic tile setting. We'll show you the tools used, discuss why rough marble is chosen for certain applications, and give you visual examples of how precision and patience pay off. Watch closely as we navigate through tricky angles, custom cuts, and seamless joint finishing. Every detail matters when working with natural stone, especially when it's meant to withstand both time and weather. The video also emphasizes the importance of safety, including choosing the right non-slip texture and maintaining even tile spacing to prevent accidents. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to install rough marble tiles beside a pool, and you'll gain practical knowledge that can be applied in similar projects. We believe in sharing real-world expertise through hands-on demonstrations, no voiceovers, no fast cuts, just honest, high-quality work in progress. Stay tuned, learn with us, and see how craftsmanship transforms a simple pool edge into a stunning architectural element. In this extended section, we dive deeper into the actual craft of working with rough marble around pools. You'll observe real-world methods used by professionals to measure, cut, and align marble pieces with millimeter precision. Every tile placement requires evaluating the surface beneath, understanding the slope for water flow, and adjusting the setting accordingly to ensure a long-lasting and safe result. We also highlight the importance of edge treatment, especially in pool zones where swimmers walk barefoot. Using rough marble is not just about aesthetics, it's also about safety. That's why this video focuses on selecting the right finish and texture, testing slip resistance, and ensuring that no sharp or uneven edges are left exposed. Our experienced team takes you behind the scenes into the small details that make a big difference in quality. Additionally, the video explores how environmental factors like sunlight, moisture, and water chemistry can affect the installation process. We explain how to choose the proper adhesive and waterproofing membrane to avoid future problems like lifting or discoloration. You'll see how to apply grout in a way that enhances the look of the marble while still allowing for natural expansion and contraction. We've designed this content to be a complete visual learning experience, so even without narration, the steps are clearly demonstrated in a way that any tile worker, architect, or homeowner can understand. Whether you're learning the trade, planning a DIY project, or simply interested in the beauty of marble work, this video is made to inspire and educate. Watch how we overcome challenges like uneven pool borders, cutting around drainage holes, and achieving a uniform layout that brings out the natural beauty of the stone. With slow, steady shots and detailed footage of the hands-on process, you'll feel like you're right there on the job site. Installing rough marble beside the pool. Full step-by-step guide. Installing rough marble around a swimming pool requires skill, precision, and an understanding of both aesthetics and safety. In this video, we take you step by step through the professional process of installing textured marble tiles alongside a pool, showcasing the best practices used to ensure durability and beauty, from preparing the base layer with the right mixture of mortar and leveling techniques, to carefully placing each slab of rough marble to guarantee proper water drainage and slip resistance. This tutorial covers it all. You'll see how to align the pieces correctly, handle corner cuts, and apply finishing touches that give the entire pool area a high-end look. Rough marble is not only stylish and luxurious, but also offers essential grip for wet areas, making it ideal for pool surroundings. Throughout the video, we demonstrate practical tips to avoid common mistakes and ensure that the marble adheres properly to the surface, even under outdoor conditions like heat and humidity. Whether you're a professional mason or a homeowner interested in learning about the craft, this in-depth guide provides insight that goes beyond basic tile setting. We'll show you the tools used, discuss why rough marble is chosen for certain applications, and give you visual examples of how precision and patience pay off. Watch closely as we navigate through tricky angles, custom cuts, and seamless joint finishing. Every detail matters when working with natural stone, especially when it's meant to withstand both time and weather. The video also emphasizes the importance of safety, including choosing the right non-slip texture and maintaining even tile spacing. To prevent accidents. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to install rough marble tiles beside a pool, and you'll gain practical knowledge that can be applied in similar projects. We believe in sharing real-world expertise through hands-on demonstrations, no voiceovers, no fast cuts, just honest, high-quality work in progress. Stay tuned. Learn with us and see how craftsmanship transforms a simple pool edge into a stunning architectural element. As we approach the final phase of the installation process, we shift focus toward finishing techniques that distinguish professional craftsmanship from average work. Finishing is more than just visual polish. It's about protecting the marble, maximizing functionality, and preserving its elegance under all weather conditions. This part of the video showcases the application of edge rounding, slope calibration, joint cleaning, and marble sealing. Every small adjustment plays a major role in the long-term durability of the poolside marble installation. We also dive deep into joint spacing strategy, how to create clean, consistent lines between marble tiles while accounting for expansion from heat and water absorption. You'll observe the use of spacers, leveling systems, and flexible grout designed to move with the stone and prevent cracking. We highlight how critical it is to clean excess mortar before it hardens to maintain crisp grout lines and avoid surface staining. Next, we reveal expert tricks for cutting and shaping rough marble using specialized tools like wet saws, diamond blades, and polishing grinders. You'll see how each tool is used depending on the hardness and texture of the marble. Whether it's shaping a bullnose edge or fitting a slab around a pool skimmer, accuracy is key, and this video captures every detail with clarity and close-up camera angles. One of the most important parts of the job is applying the sealant. This video shows how to choose the right breathable stone sealer to protect rough marble without changing its natural look or making it slippery. The sealant application method is demonstrated in a way that ensures full absorption and proper drying time. We explain how the sealing process improves resistance to chemicals, salt, UV rays, and algae, all of which are common challenges near pools. Beyond the technical details, this part of the video emphasizes the artistic side of marble installation. You'll see how layout choices, such as diagonal versus grid alignment, vein matching, and color balance can dramatically affect the visual harmony of the entire pool side. Every piece of marble is unique, so we show how to select and position each tile to create an elegant flow across the surface. Finally, we end this section with maintenance tips: how to clean rough marble safely, how often to reseal, and how to perform simple repairs if minor chips or stains occur. These insights are rarely shown, but are crucial for keeping your marble installation looking beautiful for years to come. This is not just a tutorial, it's a complete experience of professional stonework. Through every cut, every placement, and every polish, you'll gain a new appreciation for the craft of marble installation. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a passionate learner, this video delivers a deep, satisfying look at the process of transforming ordinary spaces into timeless designs with the help of rough marble. Safety, practical use, and long-term beauty. Why rough marble is the best choice for pool surroundings. In this final segment of our extended guide, we turn our attention to why rough marble stands out as one of the most practical and elegant solutions for outdoor spaces, especially around swimming pools. The installation is only part of the story. True craftsmanship lies in understanding the environment, anticipating wear and tear, and making design choices that will serve both function and beauty for years to come. One major focus here is safety. Unlike polished marble, which can be dangerously slippery when wet, rough marble naturally provides excellent traction even when water is splashing everywhere. You'll learn how the surface texture of each tile affects foot grip and how choosing the right finish can dramatically reduce the risk of slips and falls. We also explain how the correct grout spacing, drainage slope, and edge alignment all contribute to a safer walking area. The video goes on to highlight real-life use cases, showing how families, children, and elderly people benefit from the thoughtful layout of rough marble tiles. We demonstrate proper spacing around pool steps, ladders, and corners, and discuss how to make the entire zone both inviting and functional. You'll also see how we integrate aesthetic elements like decorative inlays, pattern variation, and stone direction to enhance the final look without compromising performance. We then zoom out and take a visual tour of the completed project, giving you a chance to admire the transformation from beginning to end. From dusty, uneven ground to a sleek and safe marble border surrounding a shimmering pool, this video tells a full story. Every shot has been captured to show not just the how, but the why behind each technique. By watching this video in full, you'll gain a level of insight and confidence that goes beyond average tutorials. You'll see how attention to detail, material selection, and respect for nature all come together to form a superior outdoor experience. Why choose rough marble for pools? Natural slip resistance for wet area, timeless visual appeal that matches modern or rustic outdoor space, shy durability in extreme weather conditions, customizable cuts for any shape, curve, or size, increased property value through professional finishing. Will believe every craftsman deserves the knowledge to create long-lasting, safe, and stunning work. This tutorial is a tribute to that mission. Craftsmanship in silence, a visual experience designed for builders, designers, and homeowners worldwide. This video isn't just about laying stone, it's about celebrating craftsmanship in its purest form. Filmed in silence, with no spoken commentary, it's built for a universal audience. Whether you speak English, Arabic, Spanish, or no language at all, this is a visual tutorial that speaks to everyone. We believe that skill has no accent, and this video proves it. Our camera work allows you to feel like you're standing on the job site. Every sweep of the trowel, every gentle tap of the hammer, every drop of mortar is captured in high resolution to ensure that even beginners can learn from watching. Professionals can appreciate the subtle decisions in tile positioning, leveling, and the hidden tricks that only experienced workers use on real projects. For dyers, this video shows what's possible with patience, the right materials, and a steady hand. For contractors, it provides ideas to improve speed, precision, and client satisfaction. For architects and designers, it offers inspiration on how rough marble can be used to create luxurious yet natural outdoor living spaces. We've removed all distractions, no voice, no music, just the raw sound of the work. This immersive format helps you concentrate, absorb, and truly connect with the installation process. It's more than a how-to video. It's a quiet masterclass. You'll learn how to visualize a layout before starting. How to handle a regular pool edges or angles. When to cut versus when to shift tiles. The difference between aesthetic alignment and functional flow. How to clean tools and workstations for efficiency. This content is perfect for those who love visual learning, appreciate quality construction, and want to enjoy watching real building in real conditions without any fluff. We invite viewers from every country and every trade to watch, learn, and share their passion for precision. Want more videos like this? Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our future uploads. We regularly post silent, professional tutorials covering everything from ceramic tile installation to terrazzo work, marble polishing, floor preparation, and much more. We also welcome your support. Like the video, share it with fellow craftsmen, and leave a comment if you'd like to see specific techniques or materials in the next video. This channel is built with hands, but it grows with hearts. Thank you for watching, and remember, quality work speaks for itself, even in silence. How to install rough marble beside a pool. Full professional process. Welcome to this silent, high-quality tutorial that takes you through the complete process of installing rough marble tiles beside a swimming pool step by step. This video is designed for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, architects, and anyone who appreciates precision and true craftsmanship. From surface preparation to cutting, leveling, setting, and sealing, you'll see every detail captured in close-up. With zero distractions, no commentary, no music, just the real sound of work in progress. Phase 1. Preparing the base and laying the first tiles. We begin by demonstrating how to prepare the substrate for perfect adhesion. You'll learn how to check for slope and drainage, how to apply bonding agents or waterproof layers, and how to mix and spread mortar correctly for rough marble. Laying the first row of tiles is crucial for alignment and overall balance. This phase sets the tone for the entire job. Phase 2. Installing and aligning the marble tiles. Here, we dive into the heart of the process, placing each marble tile with precision, ensuring clean gaps and perfect positioning. You'll watch how to apply consistent pressure, use leveling tools, and handle irregular edges. We focus on maintaining visual balance while allowing for natural stone variation, achieving both beauty and structure. Phase 3. Finishing touches, slope correction, and sealing. In this part, the finer skills take over: edge rounding, corner shaping, and grout line perfection. We show how to apply breathable sealant that protects rough marble without changing its natural appearance or increasing slipperiness. The goal is durability, safety, and a beautiful final presentation. Phase 4. Safety and functionality around the pool. Why choose rough marble for pool areas? We demonstrate how its natural texture improves grip, reduces accidents, and endures heavy exposure to water, sun, and salt.